Hello friends, welcome to my channel Best GIS Tutorial. In today's lecture, I will simply show you how to change the projection of map. So go to software. Now this is satellite image I show you in table of content. Now go to properties of this image on this map and first check the coordinate system of this map. So you can see that special reference XY coordinate system of that is geographic coordinate system. What geographic coordinate system? WGS 1984. Now I'll show you how to change this geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system. Click on OK. So go to R toolbox and R toolbox go to data management tool, and data management tool go to projection and transformation tool. Here click on raster, and raster tool click on project raster. Now here input the map, this one. Here you can see that the input coordinate system, which is geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. After that I will assign the coordinate output coordinate system. So go to here and go to projected coordinate system. Projected coordinate system, click on UTM, click on World Geodetic System 1984. Here click on Northern Hemisphere because my study area or my map belongs from Northern Hemisphere. Here choose the UTM zone of the map, like my study area map or my that images belong from UTM zone 42, that one. So click on that and OK. You can see that output coordinate system is added. Now click on OK and wait for the results. Now the processing is done. First go to window and remove the background color. Now close that. Now go to table of content and check the properties of that one, which is change, which is projected coordinate system. I will show you again the coordinate system of both the images. Here first go to properties of that one. Here go to special reference. Here you can see that this is converted into projected coordinate system WGS 1984 UTM zone 42 north. Now click on that and again go to the original image which we uploaded. Go to properties, go to special reference. Here you can see that is geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. By this way you can change the coordinate system from one projection to another projection. So I hope you will learn that how to change the projection of map. Thank you.